There it is, guys. Holy crap, look at that truck. Let's see what we got here. I think I've seen this truck before, and it's got 37 13.5 20-inch mud terrain tires on it. Damn, that truck is sick. It's sitting so high. I'm pretty sure it's a gas though. I'd say it's around 2005, maybe a little older. Damn, that is a cool truck. Look at the chains in the front. It's so aggressive. It sits up higher than my Silverado, of course. There's a picture of the two trucks, guys, if you want to get that side-by-side comparison. There we go. Look how nice they look, dude. Trying to get like an angle at both of them. I guess not, but yeah. Thing is nice. Tinted windows, very clean, very well kept. 37 13.5s, guys. See, it's got a lower portion of the bumper, I guess, to pass inspection. Man, that is a nice truck. Look at those shocks. I think it's BDS. Definitely built well. Extended cab, just the way I like it. Okay, take a look at this Duramax. Tell me why the 4x4 decal is as high as where it is on my truck. That does not look right. I'm pretty sure they're lower on that. And there it is, the badge, Duramax with the Allison transmission. That is the combination you need to get. Now, I know some of them don't have the Allison part of the badge, so I'm assuming that some of them were made without the Allison, and I'd say that's probably a big mistake. And there's one of those tow mirrors. I know they made several model tow mirrors, and that along with the ones that look like they can extend in all different kinds of ways, well, I think those are kind of ugly. Forgot to pick up something at Walmart yesterday. Once again, back at it. Only gonna be a second though. Alright guys, just had to run in to get a box of matches for the campfires going on every night. So yeah, now let's take care of this truck, the most neglected Silverado in the world. Alright guys, rolling up to a wash. This is actually a different wash. Pretty cool location, very close to that Walmart I was just at. And I figured I'd give you guys a little bit of a change of scenery. So let's clean up this Silverado, and then I'll check in with you guys, so stay tuned. The only downside of this place is that I have to get coins to be able to actually use this place. I can't just swipe my card or put cash in. Alright, got the coins, and wow, that power stroke was so high and lifted. Oh no! There we go, just washed her all up. I got all of that road salt off the truck, so that is always a plus. Got a little water on my fishing stuff. Hopefully it dries off in the air, but there we go, man. All cleaned up, and there's a lot more space here, more truck friendly. Yeah, the truck is looking sweet. Oh, look how clean that F1 is. You know what? This drink is actually pretty good and has almost no sugar in it, which is also a plus. So yeah, we're heading now to the spot, and the truck is looking pretty clean, cleaner than it did before at least, and perfect. We got the sun out. It's gonna be a good day. A long Duramax. Made it to the spot here. I actually was gonna go to the other spot, but I forgot that they salted the roads there, so I'm not gonna go into that nonsense. Let's switch over to the other camera real quick and see how the quality changes. All right, so guys, I'm here at the new location. I just wanted to go over the different costs and options and where I bought it from and what kind of deal I got on this Silverado here. So I want to start off with the MSRP price that I got for this truck. 26. The sticker price on the door was about 27. And talking down a little bit, after getting a good deal, got about $1,000 off. Nothing too special, because these are very fast selling trucks and you're not going to really get that good of a deal for when I bought the truck. I bought this back in 2014. It's a 2013 Silverado. Now when I originally bought this truck, it came with 17-inch rims, and they were just the stock wheels that I had on the truck. And yes, I'm talking about when I bought this truck stock. Everything that has been done to this truck was done by me. Final MSRP was 26, so after taxes and tags, we get a Pennsylvania 6% sales tax. It came out to about $29,000, and that's off the lot with the truck. And of course I financed the truck, so every month the truck is about $400. It's on a 5-year loan. It's been a couple years now, so the truck is going to be paid off eventually, but the truck is financed. It's actually pretty affordable. You just got to be able to pay it every month. The truck is ready for the road salt. It's already touched the road salt. So let's get back down to the history of the truck. I bought this truck back in 2014 from Lawrence Chevrolet in Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. They used to sell aftermarket lifted trucks there as well, brand new, and I'd always like to go check those out. And it really did influence me to put a lift kit on my own truck. and they'd always have a very nice wide selection of Duramaxes, Colorado Duramaxes, regular Duramaxes, Corvettes, Camaros. Also, the location was just magnificent because it was just down the Carlisle Pike, and it's in a place almost like this. Originally it was just farmland, so as you can imagine, it's not a big city, the roads aren't bad, it's very easy to access and leave, and there's never really any traffic. I remember going to that deal, looking at the used lot up front. I was looking at all these different kinds of trucks, and originally I was looking at ones for $30,000. Saw it was 2012 with the LS model package. Did not have the interior I really wanted, so that's why I went with this truck, and I really do like the blue color. Originally had a big chrome front end on it. I changed a lot of different stuff on this truck, but whenever I saw this truck, I knew it was the one. There was a lot of different accessories on it. The bull bar was chrome. It had footsteps, pinstripes, mud flaps, all this stuff that I decided to take off the truck. Another thing, and I verified it with the glove box, is that this truck has the Z71 package cover on the underneath of the truck. It also had the Rancho shocks. So that's also what persuaded me to buy this truck. And if you look in the inside here, these are the different things that I really bought the truck for. I was looking at trucks that didn't have the USB port. This may be something that just for my year, I'm not really sure. It could be just for the LLT package as well. I wish I had the bottom floor shifter. I don't, but I do have a lot more room right here. I like how the interior is black. There's a very small portion of chrome in the interior, which is okay for me. If it's a very small amount of chrome, I'm okay with it. And configuration wise, it is an extended cab. This is exactly what I was looking for. I don't really care for the back window. It doesn't really, I mean, it's cool and all, but I also don't mind just the big back window. It gives you a lot more visibility. Look at the material of that. Look at the design. It's very nice cloth seats. I don't really care for leather. This is more durable. I wanted the port there. I have satellite radio. The radio quality is really good as well. This is basically everything I ever wanted. And of course, if you look in the bed here, it's got a bed liner in it already, tinted windows. Now the only thing I probably would add to this truck if I could, but that would probably be the Bose sound system interior. This is just the regular GM speakers in it, but I must say the bass is really bumping and the speaker quality is really good. That would probably be the only thing I would opt for, would be the Bose premium sound system. Other than that, this is everything I've always wanted. One more thing, guys, actually, let me add this, is that it would be really cool to have the sunroof, the moonroof that slides open on the top. Almost a rare type of deal unless you get like the high package. This isn't the most spec'd out Z71 truck you can get, but it is definitely everything I want, and it serves my purpose perfectly, and it's a perfect truck to go off-road and travel and do anything you want. As you can see, I put all these aftermarket parts on the truck, and it's been running great. So I almost forgot about specifics. I got the 5.3 V8 engine with the 6-speed automatic transmission. So this is definitely everything I'm looking for when it comes to a truck like this, and I couldn't ask for any more. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so I can see you next video. Until next time, take it easy.